वेलकम टू द प्री गेम, इंडिया का पहला गुड म्यूजिकल वैरायटी शो। घुमाओ इस स्लॉट मशीन को और ये तुम्हें घुमा देगी। पहले 2 स्लॉट्स मिलकर बनाएंगे आज की रात का ओरिजिनल ट्रैक, एकदम अनोखा जॉनर कॉम्बिनेशन। पर तीसरा स्लॉट, उसके लिए बस थोड़ा इंतजार कीजिए। अब जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए द मैन ऑफ द आफ्टरनून, सोहम और रिज उर्फ नेवर सोबर।
Welcome to the pre-game. This here Soham Mukherjee,
This here, Rizzy Rico.
and together we are.
Never sober.
That's good. So, this first episode of pre-game,
First, yeah.
and our first guest, the illustrious, our dear friend,
Enigma.
Yash Raj. Clap. Thanks.
Hey, handsome.
Thanks.
Let's go.
Hey, man.
So Yash Raj, let's not waste any time. I'm sure you know what to do next.
Yes, sir.
We are going to be spinning
The slot machine.
Yash Raj,
Are we
please
ready?
select the
Yash?
first genre of today.
The first genre is opium.
Opium.
We're about to do some drugs. Let's go.
Why? No, we're not doing drugs. Drugs क्यों?
Opium है ना?
But
नहीं मतलब वो वाला नहीं.
अपना वो
Crazy card. Yeah, opium. Opium. Next machine slot.
next machine. Yes.
So opium soul.
Opium soul music.
Wow.
Interesting है.
Nice choice.
फिलहाल.
Amazing. Dangerous.
And the third performance curse.
ये तुम्हें क्या
back
लगता
shots.
है? नहीं,
नहीं क्या
नहीं
बोलना था. क्या लग रहा है तुम्हें?
Shots है bro.
Shorts.
What does that mean? We will find out in
The studio. Going for take number.
soul time
Soul,
beat.
opium,
Soul, opium.
soul.
चलो भाई
Opium soul.
Opium soul beat बनाते हैं bro.
soul मतलब splice से gospel loop.
You made this sample into a joke, bro.
That's actually a great way to start, bro. Just put those. Just
Yeah,
put
yeah,
those. You know, just stack the splice loops up till it sounds good. Sampling.
Like बड़ा sample ऐसे खुलना चाहिए तो लगे कि अरे अरे. Do you all chop? Do you all like fucking go ham?
I used to like do a lot of soul chopping, like full MF Doom, Mac Miller, early on influence, like Faces I heard for the first time, like 2014 type shit. I was like, bro, I wanna chop any jazz record, anything.
Long. By the way, bro, we don't drink, we don't smoke, we don't
कुछ
do
नहीं.
any of those things.
We are.
स्टूडियो में
In
तो
case you
नहीं.
didn't know about that.
स्टूडियो में तो नहीं.
स्टूडियो में नहीं. स्टूडियो में हमने जरा भी कोई दारू नहीं पी. ब्रो लोगों को लगे हम अपना म्यूजिक सीरियसली नहीं लेते हैं.
Good one, bro. Good one. Yes,
Good one यार अरे
Good one, yeah,
मजा आ गया
bro.
bro ये.
पूरा planning करके आया bro बंदा.
Sometimes you just gotta ठोको.
What are you gonna write about, Yash Raj?
I'll tell you. I think the first thing whenever you're in a studio with 2 gifted producers, पहली चीज करनी चाहिए कि open up YouTube, open up a type beat. Okay, this is a Drake type beat, super underrated, and just like go up to your producer and be like, bro, ऐसा
कुछ बना भाई.
तो किधर गया?
How to also be a very successful rapper is go up to your producer. अरे क्या बीट बनाई है मैंने. यार ये 808 मैं ही सोच सकता था बॉस. ये तो क्रेजी है.
You gotta ये ऑटोमेशन कर रहा है।
हाँ, सही देखा आपने। आज का तीसरा स्लॉट यानी परफॉर्मेंस कर्स है शॉट्स। मतलब आज की प्रोग्राम में अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स सोहम, रिज और यशराज को बनाना है एक बैंगर डिस्पाइट द पावर्स ऑफ अल्कोहल। लेट द गेम्स बिगिन।
ब्रो थोड़ा भाई तू बस ऐसे डाल देना
बस
कुछ
बीट
ऐसा
थोड़ा मतलब रहम करो भाई थोड़ा तो।
2 मिनट दो।
दारू पी के ऑटोमेट करेगा बॉस, लेके लाइसेंस दिखा।
It's a little extra strong, be careful.
नो
ब्रो प्लीज कैन यू
Bro, can we fucking space it थोड़ा?
अबे 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 अबे
सब कुछ धुंधला
धुंधला yeah that ear bleed kind of beat.
Bro, imagine if he just plays the soul sample in the intro and then plays an OPM beat.
Another song.
That's literally
What a
what
bad show. Such a bad show.
I mean, why are you shitting on
It's not
that?
even like he's continuing the sample in the drums.
We are.
Imagine, it's just like you copy pasted. तू soul beat लेके नहीं आ रहा drums में?
वो आएगा थोड़ा
बाद में आएगा.
अरे अरे
मूड
ब्रो
में आएगा. वो मूड में आएगा.
अब तेरा भाई भी बैठेगा मशीन पे।
बोल्टन मतलब डैश एंड वॉश में बोल्टन जिंदगी
hard as fuck.
कोई क्रीम।
But just take the same sample, keep.
सैम्पलाइश। इधर आ जा, ये साइड बैठ जाना।
Oh, he found it. It's B1. नहीं, वो वाला नहीं, ये वाला. I can just chop it from the actual sample, bro.
या इधर।
Okay, just give me 2 minutes now. Let me just run this.
Yeah, sure.
I got it. Yes. भाग गया मैं.
Bro, no way.
Why there 4? Why there 4? There are 3 of us.
You can notice there's one extra.
Yeah, why?
The extra one's for Kirat.
Yeah. भाई अभी थोड़ा चिल करो. Yeah.
अब सोच के अब इसके बाद एडिटिंग ट्रिक है.
Yeah.
हाँ, अब इसके बाद मोन्टाज में काटेंगे.
Just get up, man. अरे, okay. I was gonna make a beat too on the beat. After like
Maybe like a second half.
30 seconds of it.
There was
30 seconds into it and then beat.
ये है जनरेशन के प्रोड्यूसर. एक फाइल नहीं खोली जा रही इनसे. सोहम का सही है ब्रो. गाना वर्ड्स में लिखो, सुनो एआई पे डालो.
आज की रात उधर सुबह है.
प्रणाम, सलाम और सूर्य नमस्कार. मेरा नाम है अर्सु भाई.
And I'm Matt Prophet.
And welcome back. Actually, welcome for the first time to Aaj Ki Raat with Arsu Bhai.
And Matt Prophet.
I'm Arsu Bhai.
And I'm Matt Prophet.
This is the show where we get on your favorite artists. Unfortunately, today we have Yashraj.
Shit.
Yashraj, please come in.
Please.
Hallelujah, Yashu. Hallelujah, Yashu. कैसे सर? Yashraj, Nutcut Mera. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, bro. I didn't like the intro.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it was.
Why not?
We can do it disrespectful.
You want to go? We can start
No,
from the top
let's
if you want.
not.
Like it's not. Yashraj, are there any artists you regret working with?
Yeah, bro. There's these boys from Bandra. They're on this collective that's named after like a big shop. I don't want to reveal
What's
their
the name?
names. Yeah.
Infinity Mall. Can you give us an insight into how you came up with the idea for 3P?
It's like an experience that you have to live your life through to understand why the music is just a byproduct.
One of the best philosophers of our time.
Thank
Yashraj
you,
Nutcut
thank you,
Mehra.
thank you.
I'm so happy to have you on the show. It's an honor to always talk to you.
And stream 3P, guys.
This is not a source for your promotion.
I got a little ahead of myself, yeah. But no, genuinely, it was after we made Dhundla, we saw a new reaction of the people. Yeah.
You were saying?
So yeah, we just like seeing people dance.
You want some?
What's this?
मेरी खट्टी लस्सी की पिचकारी. Starting with Galat Sahi, you began a trend of naming songs on your albums in a slash format.
Yeah.
What inspired that?
Shout out to the community,
Which one?
Of Slash?
the Metallica.
It's time for our first game of the night.
Let's
Kya ye
go.
Sach hai ya jhoot? We're gonna give you a true or a false question.
Is that the name of the game?
That's the name of the
Can you
game.
repeat the name of the game?
The name of the game is Kya ye Sach
Such
hai ya jhoot? We're gonna give you a true or false statement. You have to tell us if it's Sach.
Yeah, Jude.
You have a cousin from Jharkhand named Jashbaj.
Such.
Your favorite color is pink.
Such.
My favorite color is pink.
Such.
Your favorite sex position is doggy style, and you're the doggy. Search.
That's where I draw the line.
You actually spent the formative years of your career as a nude model for Hustler magazine. Can you explain this photograph?
No, this is not actually from the Hustler magazine. This was my MTV Hustle audition. And
Wow.
yeah, this was back in the day, man.
We have a very special script for you prepared.
Wow.
You're going to audition live right now for one of Chintan Tarantino's movies. If you could just take this, please. Yes. So you are playing Yashraj, your namesake,
Yeah.
the village Kheti boy.
Yeah.
And me and Mr. Prophet here are going to play Isaiah and Jeremiah, two colonizers from foreign lands who are about to confront you.
Classics.
Yes.
Lagan.
Yeah.
If you would like to begin with the narration, my dear friend.
Sure. Yashraj plays the village boy, frolicking in the kheti. Isaiah and Jeremiah are two colonizers from foreign lands who are about to confront him.
Seriously. You there, boy?
क्या तुम हिंदुस्तानी हो?
हाँ सर, मेरे खून में हिंदुस्तान बहता है.
Well, that's a goddamn D-Lap, boy.
एक बात बोलो, क्या ये जमीन फुकट में मिलेगा?
क्या? आपको ये जमीन खरीदना है? इस जमीन की कीमत मेरी जान है.
ये 2 करोड़ का जमींदार, मैं जमीन पर लगान लगा दूंगा.
Unless you have other methods of paying us back, boy.
ये क्या बोल रहा है?
ये बोल रहा ये बोल रहा है, please. ये बोल रहा है, तेरी जीभ इसके जीभ से मिला दो.
Let me kiss those juicy lips.
No, no, ये नहीं हो सकता.
I believe it says you both lean in.
I got one page of the script.
Oh,
I'm sorry you missed the
you missed the instruction. It says.
But it does say
Is
they
there
lean.
more?
No, no. That's. I mean, it is. It's in his script.
What do I have?
You both lean in.
Let me kiss them juicy lips. Your song PSA. A clever pun on the word paisa is about money. How much did you have to pay Hanuman Kind for a feature on Ladke Convict?
I had to gift him one big Rottweiler.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
What was
that's
his name?
how. Anita.
Anita the Rottweiler.
Yeah.
Where did you source this dog from?
From Vinita.
And who's Vinita?
Panita.
Anita. Gabbar Singh.
What is this? आप कौन?
मैं गब्बर का छोटा भाई जब्बर सिंह हूँ. मुझे पता चला है कि तुम लोग यहाँ कुछ गेम कर रहे हो. क्या कर रहे हो?
जब्बर?
सर आप कहाँ से आ गए सर? आपको एंट्री कैसे मिली?
बिहार
सर
से आए
इन सर हम कुछ हमारा कुछ देना देना नहीं आपसे सर सर.
मैं तो सब भूल गई हूँ. कहाँ से आए हो? मैं गब्बर
मेरे जान पे मैच.
और कुछ क्वेश्चन है तेरे पास
भाई
कि मैं जाऊँ म्यूजिक बनाने?
तू जाना यार, बहुत हो गया हम लोग का ना बहन.
Do you think I should record some shit? जितना है थोड़ा and then take it.
जूते ये पड़े हैं भरने को, सबसे आसान है लड़ने को. ईगो सॉरी.
Crazy, you extend the beat on that.
खत्म हो गई.
हाँ बीट ही खत्म.
Sorry sir, beat खत्म हो गई.
8 बार के. अच्छा I think.
अबे यार.
ये क्या है भाई?
Cheers.
Cheers man.
Cheers.
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 Oh, cheers man.
It's not a girl thing. It's not a guy thing. It's
Change the drums only, like just
अरे I'm resetting the.
reset the whole fucking bitch, bro. Can I record this?
Put a chroma.
No, I want to do it.
Oh, I'll go.
Aja,
Bro,
aja,
I'm
aja,
coming.
aja, aja,
Let me
aja,
write
aja.
this shit, bro. मुझे
आजा,
क्या
आजा,
Bollywood
आजा,
है मुझे.
अबे भाग क्यों गया?
Bro, rap करना bro.
हाँ करो मेरे पास लिखा नहीं.
अच्छा लिखा नहीं.
Before we had that da, put that at the end again. And then end it out with that.
I feel like this is fire though.
Can I just
Yes,
record a
I'm telling you,
screen? Can I just record the?
It's not like he's saying keep me from all these hoes, bro.
Fire.
Keep me from all these hoes.
Bro, can I actually sing that? Keep me from all these hoes.
First episode cancelled.
Keep me from all these hoes.
Never sober. Yes, Raj. Back like we never fucking left. What the fuck you debating? लड़के पहले से क्रिएटिव मेरी आजादी ना छेड़े तू भी तो आया था लेटेंट दूंगा सबूत मैं बूथ में रूटलेस तू मेरे रूप पर जूस का बूट ले कर दिया लूस वो गूस जो गोल्डन माइकल में जैक और माइकल में बोल्डन 100 मीटर डैश यू वाचिंग मी बोल्डन तुझसे ना होगा वो बोला था जो दिन उस दिन से ऑर्डर इमोशन रैपर को पोषित करूंगा मैं oh shit it's not a girl thing it's not a guy thing it's just a you thing and it's a my thing top of the mountain बोले वो हाइकिंग फैली रजाई जब पैरों के साइज में जूते ये बड़े हैं भरने को सबसे आसान है लड़ने को ईगो हम फेंक के बढ़ ले तो मैं कर लेता हूँ अट के आया टाइम मेरा जी शॉक लड़के की पर है डी कॉक बड़े स्पीकर है फड़े भीतर है बिगे लीडर करो बीट बॉक्स आया टाइम मेरा जी शॉक लड़के की पर है डी कॉक बड़े स्पीकर है फड़े भीतर है बिगे लीडर करो बीट बॉक्स बूट्स एंड कैश मतलब झूठे पुसी पफ ऑफ पैस हुआ रूम पूरा लेडी मेरी भूख नहीं है मुझे हिप हॉप की कमेटी नहीं बस और कम्युनिटी चाहिए को भी मेडी चाहिए सड़ स्टेप मारू 3 maybe run it back to that D बेटा you ain't fucking with me this is me being funny ha what the fuck you debating लड़के पहले से क्रिएटिव मेरी असली अच्छी तू भी तो आया था
This is the best session of my life.
And with that, Darshako, good night.
Thanks for watching.
Love music.
Never sober.